Okay, Ben, there are questions surrounding more than 500,000 signatures collected by a group hoping to limit Governor Whitmer's emergency powers.
Now Michigan's Attorney General has agreed to look into whether people whose names are on the Unlock Michigan petition knew what they were signing. Grant Herms is live with what both sides of this case are saying. And Grant, there's a lot at stake here.
There is an awful lot at stake here for people on both sides of this. An investigation comes as the group Unlock Michigan crossed a crucial threshold. Their petition has enough signatures to get it in front of the legislature, possibly by the end of the year. Announcing today, Attorney General Dana Nessel is investigating the group behind a petition, working to strip some of the powers Governor Gretchen Whitmer used to enforce pandemic shutdown orders. According to Nessel, residents approached by the signature collectors for the group Unlock Michigan told her office they'd been told they were signing petitions for issues like protecting LGBTQ rights, medical marijuana, and initiatives for small businesses, instead of the removal of Whitmer's emergency powers. In a statement, Nessel saying the investigation is about the integrity of the petition process, saying in part that process becomes tainted when petition circulators manipulate and cheat to serve their own agendas. My office will investigate these allegations, and if there is a violation of law, we will prosecute those responsible. The investigation also comes after recent reports connecting Unlock Michigan to an out-of-state group known to use bait-and-switch tactics like the ones alleged this time, and a video obtained by the Detroit Free Press showing a collection trainer advising illegal tactics to collect signatures. In a statement of their own, Unlock Michigan spokesperson called the investigation a political farce, saying in part this sham investigation is designed to deprive Michigan citizens of their constitutional rights to initiate legislation. But we're not going to let that happen. And in just the last half an hour, that same spokesman for Unlock Michigan telling me that they will not be using any of the signatures collected by those in that training session. That's about 3,000 to 4,000 signatures. Now, will that be enough to get the Attorney General to back down? That is an entirely different story, and it's an unlikely one. Kimberly?
So, Grant, the petition does have enough signatures to make it to the next step, regardless of this investigation. So what happens next?
Well, Unlock Michigan plans to turn in all of their signatures this Friday, and then it goes to account through the Secretary of State's office, and it could get to the legislature within 75 to 90 days. But now with this investigation, that will likely complicate that entire process. Yeah. Back to you.
Certainly more to come, and we know you'll keep us posted, Grant. We appreciate it.